Hello friends, and welcome a you with our course Flutter 2.5 with extra features. First of all, thank you for watching my channel and watching these videos, and I hope if you like them you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so you could receive the latest videos of our channel. If you remember, in the previous video I said that we will talk first about the new features about the 2.5 release, apply the extra features. Now I have decided to combine both of these things. While we adding the extra features, while we implementing the extra features, we can also talk at the same time about the new features of the release 2.5 of the Flutter. So accordingly, today we will talk about some of the routing that have been changed in the 2.5, the pages routing, and also we will talk how to add some pages to the our application that implements the Flutter release 2.5. So this is the project that we have created in the previous video. As you remember, what we have done is that we only just added a folder, this folder by the name of widgets, and we have added two pages, one of this home page file and one is named splash page file. Obviously from the name you know that the splash page will show the splash page and the home page will show the home page, obviously. Now we need to see how we can implement them with the new release of the Flutter, the 2.5 release. In the main, as we have spoke in the previous video, this will take us to the my app class, which resides in the app.dart file, and this app.dart file which implement the settings, which we will not talk about right now, we will talk down the road, but it just have a normal build, as it is a stateless widget. So it has a normal build, and in that build it has an onGenerate route. Now this is, as we have said, this is the main routing method that will control the routing between the pages of our application. A little bit different than the previous release of the Flutter. In this release, as we can see here, we will use a material page route, and this routing will take a routing settings, and then it takes us a builder. This builder will take a route settings. Each route settings has a name, and we will call the cases. Now each page is a case, will be considered as a case. So each page now in our application will be considered as a case. So this is the first case, this is the second case, and each and every page is a case, a separate case. A separate case referred to by two things. First of all, the route, how we can reach to that page, and also the design of that page. So two things in this case, the routing and the design, of course. Now the routing, how we can assign the routing. As you can see here, this is the splash page. This is splash page. So at the beginning of the class, which is splash home, which is a stateless widget, we create this routing field, static constant route name equal, we give it some name, whichever name is suitable for you. In my case I'm call it splash page. This is the routing. So each page you will create in your application, you must give it actually a routing, otherwise you will not be able to route to this page. So in this case, the first case is the splash home. This is a static field, so dot route name. So this is a static field, the route name, which refers to, don't forget the slash, and then give it a name. So this is the first case, and of course the class name. You give it the class name. What is the class name in this case? It is splash home. This is the routing of your application. In each and every page you do like this. That's how you will do the routing in release 2.5. One thing to notice is that you need to add an initial route. An initial route. What is the entry page of your application? The initial route, in this case, in my case here, it is the splash page obviously, so I need to add this slash splash page, which is this exactly same route. So I need to add the initial route. What is the page that you wish your application to start with? In this case, it will be added in here in the initial route. Once you have assigned the initial route, once you have assigned all the cases of the pages that you wish to add to your application, that's it. Your application will be ready to go. But now, for instance, in this splash page, it will refer to how we can refer to each another. And in this case, in the splash page, which we are applying, by the way, we are applying this the splash page, actually, which was the same one in the previous course, as I have told you, which is this splash screen view. This one, you can add it and you can use it in your application. So this is the one, and here you can route to the class name, which is home in this case, and this will take us, if it is home, that means it will take us to this route of the home page. As long as there is a class in here by the name of home, this is the route of that class. And in here, in the home page, as you can see in the home page, we have also created a route, static constant route name equal home page, and the class by the name of home. So here we have created it, the class name is home and the route is home.route name. So now once the splash page finish, it will route to the home class, and this will take us to this home page in this route. That's the whole story of the routing in the 2.5 release. And this is the splash page, how you can add a splash page, and then you can add other pages to your application and route from one page to another. So let's reload and see how the application will work. As you can see in here, it will start, and then immediately after a few seconds it will route to the home page. Now we are at the home page. So this is how you do the routing between pages, and how you add them, and how you treat each and every page as a case. Create the class, create the routing, and you are good to go with any page you wish to create within your application. In the next video we will talk about the locale, how we can create the locale for all our application. Now there is some changes, nice changes with the localization have happened. So with the release 2.5, which will make our life when we develop any application, will make it easier. So we will talk about that in next video. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please hit the like button and do subscribe to any notifications to be alerted for any new videos. Thank you very much.